Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about most amazing facts about insects. Honeybee. Honeybee. Honeybees never sleep. A queen bee's life expectancy is 3 to 5 years. Honeybees' wings stroke 11,400 times per minute. The queen bee's royal duty is to lay up to 1,500 eggs per day. Beetle. Beetle. There are over 350,000 different species of beetles. Beetles have a variety of colors. Beetles communicate using sounds and vibrations. Ant. Ant. Ants don't have ears. One ant species is exclusively female. Ants can become zombies. Ants can lift 10 to 50 times their body weight. Cockroach. Cockroach. A headless cockroach can live for a week without food and water. Cockroach droppings carry germs, and the droppings can trigger asthma. One female cockroach can produce 2 million offspring in 1 year. Cricket. Cricket. Female crickets do not chirp. Some crickets can fly. Their antennas help them find food. Wasp. Wasp. Only female wasps can sting, as the stinger is a modified egg-laying organ. Wasps, unlike bees, can sting a victim repeatedly. Housefly. Houseflies have 5 eyes and 3 pairs of legs. Houseflies are active during the day and rest at night. Houseflies can live for 30 to 60 days. Moth. Moth. Moths can mimic other animals to scare off predators. Male moths can smell a female from over 7 miles away using their antennas. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. They can consume over 100 mosquitoes in a day. Dragonflies can fly backwards. Dragonflies are generally friendly and don't usually bite humans. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are herbivores that eat plants. Grasshoppers can spit a brown liquid to defend themselves against predators. Grasshoppers have 5 eyes. Spider. Spider. All spiders produce silk. Female spiders can lay up to 3,000 eggs at one time. Some bites of spiders are poisonous. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but some have only 6 eyes. Bedbug. Bedbug feed on the blood of people and certain animals. Ladybug. Ladybug. They are technically beetles. They play dead to protect themselves. Some ladybugs have stripes. In many cultures, ladybugs are considered to bring good luck. Mosquito. Mosquito. Only female mosquitoes can bite. Mosquitoes do prefer to bite some people over others. Mosquitoes are more active when the moon is full. Scorpion. Scorpion. They dance before mating. They give birth to live young. They glow in ultraviolet light. Their venom can kill or save lives. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. They have 6 eyes. They breathe through tiny holes in their bodies called spiracles. Caterpillar produce silk. Caterpillars have 4,000 muscles in their bodies. Caterpillar's first meal is usually their eggshell. Firefly. Fireflies talk to each other with light. Fireflies produce cold light. Fireflies' eggs glow. Fireflies eat other fireflies. Snail. Snail. Snails are almost completely blind and don't have any mechanism of hearing sounds either. However, their sense of smell is extraordinary. They can apparently locate food from as far as 10 feet away. Earthworm. Earthworm. A worm has no arms, legs, or eyes. Worms are cold-blooded animals. Earthworms have the ability to replace or replicate lost segments. Mantis. Mantis. Mantis have two eyes but only one ear. Female mantis sometimes eat their mates. Mantis can turn their head a full 180 degrees. Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterflies have 6 legs. They only drink liquid. They have taste receptors on their feet. Their skeletons are on the outside. Lice. Lice cannot jump. They can only crawl. The average lice life cycle is 40 days. Female lice lay 4 to 5 eggs per day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.